everyone, welcome back. It is officially the weekend, Friday night. This is Super Bowl weekend. We will be cheering on the Chiefs on Sunday for our boy Patrick Mahomes out of Texas Tech. In celebration and getting ready for that weekend, I am going to show you how to cook some hamburgers on the K-Rigg. So let me get my unit started and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go start my unit, get it warmed up. Turn on my gas. Get my pilot light on. Push down. Turn on. My unit is now started and getting warmed up. All right, friends, so I'm gonna add my wood chips. Really gonna add that smoky flavor we're looking for those hamburgers. This unit takes about 10 to 15 minutes to warm up to a full 425 degrees. So I'm gonna go get our meat ready. All right, guys, so tonight we are gonna do some hamburgers. Just HEB hamburgers, a little bit of salt and pepper. Gonna put them on my unit here in just a little bit. And about halfway through, I'll come and flip them. See what we're working with. Alright guys, our unit's warm, so I'm going to go ahead and add our hamburgers. Alright guys, just got done putting on our burgers. Already see our wood chips burning, so we are ready to start this thing. Closing our pressure lock door. Starting our engine. Alright guys, we're about 8 minutes in, and I'm going to go ahead and flip these burgers. Alright guys, so we're about done, and I'm going to finish off with some cheese just for about 1 more minute and put our buns on as well. You can see y'all, unit's full. Hamburgers, buns. I'm going to give it about 1 or 2 more minutes, and then we're going to be taking these off to eat. Alright y'all, we are done. And let's see what we're working with. Alright, smoked hamburgers. I got my buns in there smoked. Cheese on top of those things. Y'all, I did about 8 minutes per side. Added the cheese and the buns, probably about the last minute and a half. And we're ready to eat. Let's take these off. Y'all, just got done smoking some hamburgers on the K-Rigg for the family this weekend. Super Bowl Sunday is coming up. We are excited. Y'all, this unit would be perfect at your house. Smoked hamburgers in about 15 minutes. Flipped them, added the cheese, got the buns. It has a great smoky flavor. You can find us online at www.k-rigg.com.